nothing changes.
We only just got started packing. It's Saturday, December 12th, and we have to be out of here on December the 17th. That's 5 days from now. I wanted to open this video a little bit different for you guys. As resellers, a lot of us have death piles and death rooms, and we really should be more organized. I got rid of 15 SUV loads and 2 pickup truck loads of either donations, trash, or sold inventory. Some of which went to the warehouse, some of which went to Goodwill, some of it went to the dump. And we still have a mind-numbing amount of stuff left with only 5 days left. So my videos might be a little sporadic, but I appreciate you guys still checking it out. I'm gonna give you a little tour around what has been my home for the last 7 years while I built my business. And I want you guys in the comment section to tell me how much space does your reselling inventory or your business take up in your home versus the rest of it being your home. Tell me, post on Instagram, tag me your pictures on Instagram if you have them, or on Facebook, or wherever you want. But just show me a little bit of what your setup looks like. I'm gonna take you guys around the house and show you what's left and what we gotta move in the next 5 days, which is why I won't be working too much. Also, I'm gonna be turning off my eBay store for a couple of weeks, along with Amazon FBM. The FBA will remain there. The problem is we are gonna be in between a townhome rental that we get and our new home, and before that we'll be in an Airbnb. So I'm gonna have some stuff in storage, and unfortunately it's gotta be my inventory for a little while. So I'll take you around, I'll show you guys, and then hopefully I get some cool responses on Instagram showing me your eBay or Amazon or Poshmark rooms and your setups. That's what I really wanna see. So make sure you put them in your stories or on your posts and tag me so I can check them out. That'd be very, very cool. Let's get started. So on this side of our house is like the guest wing. We have like a bedroom there. We have our office there, the bathroom. So over here, let's see if the lights are on. We have our elliptical, our workout bike. We have our 2 softbox light kits. The light kit I used previously, you guys know I use a new light kit. A couple pieces of inventory that I need to sell, and then a few bins of inventory. So that's really all that's in this room. This room will take us hopefully just like, 30 minutes to pack it up, get it loaded in. Shouldn't be a big deal. Closet, I think, has a few random pillows and blankets, nothing big. So this room is just about done. No big deal. Bathroom is empty. There's nothing left in the bathroom. And then over here is our office. We do have Kate's camera gear, equipment, boxes. We still have our printers, our scale printer table, some bubble wrap. Both of our office chairs are still in here. Here, I'll put it up in the corner. So we're keeping the chairs. We're keeping, obviously, the monitors and the computers and whatnot. We're not keeping these desks. My dad's just gonna take them on move out day. If somebody wants them, they can have them for free, or he'll end up dumping them, I guess. They were really cheap. We probably paid like $300 or $400 for both of them. They were like $150 a piece. We just put them back to back. You can see kind of the separation. It worked great for a while. We're getting all new desks for the new house because we're gonna have 2 separate rooms, 2 separate offices. So with that, my dad just loading up those desks. The rest, just the chairs and a couple little things, should be no big thing to get this room emptied as well and loaded up into the truck. I think in the closet we just have packing boxes and some more hangers and stuff. A couple random USPS boxes that we stock. We keep just enough for about a week or 2 of shipping, and that way we're not misusing the USPS supplies, of course. So the idea hopefully is that these 2 rooms should only take us an hour or 2 at most to get out of here. So that should be not a big deal. So we move out into the living room, which is still kind of put together. It's just furniture, really. We're not keeping the TV stand. Obviously, we'll keep the TV. We're not keeping the TV stand. Again, I'll put it for free on a marketplace or something. But yeah, the couch, love seat, and the chair, and that lamp will go with us. Probably not going to keep the rug. The table, of course, the table, which I love. You guys love this table too. Everyone loves this table. I think we only paid like $350 for it. I don't know. It's got that lift up. Very cool. So we'll keep that. And that's this room. Again, another hour for this room, I would suppose. Not too bad. The kitchen is coming along. We've got it mostly packed up. Everything stays here. They get all the appliances. We have all new stuff. They're keeping the washer and dryer. We have new washer and dryers going in. We're doing tons of laundry so we can pack it all up in boxes. Kitchen, 30 minutes to finish what's left in there after the laundry's done tomorrow. The room where you guys always see me filming, signs will come down, table and bar stools got to go, and that display cabinet thing back there is staying with us. So not too much in there. That table is sold. Somebody's got to come pick that up, so that'll be gone. That's my old dining room table, which I used to love. It's like a marble table, but nowhere to put it. Keeping the bar, we have a legit bar that's going in our bonus room, along with the cooler. So that'll be in our bar room. We also have a wine rack. And then all the boxes that we've packed so far. Tons of boxes getting packed. I'll walk around. Master bedroom, master bathroom, all that stuff. These are used USPS boxes. They've been previously used, you can see. If they're not, then we'll put them back in stock and we'll use them, whatever. So I'm hoping that this entire wing of the house, everything on this side, can all be done in less than 4 hours. And we're gonna try to move some of it tomorrow and Monday. The truck is coming Wednesday. Now the biggest problem that I think we have is two things, and this will give me an opportunity while I'm walking out here. If you guys missed it, I did link that my 2021 training package pre-sale is available. It releases New Year's Day, but you can lock in the cheaper price of $29 right now. I'll link it below. Otherwise, it's going to $49 after the new year in January. And make sure you do get that, and everything will be automatically emailed to you on January 1st. We added a ton of stuff, ton of videos, Shopify, updated buying items, bolos, everything in there. So problem number one is this outside furniture. We have a lot of it. We have a sectional, 2 chairs. This is all going with us for our new outside lanai that I had added to the house, along with the heat lamp. A lot of people might say, why do you need a heat lamp? You live in Florida. It gets cold sometimes, and we like to sit out on the lanai. We like to sit out on this thing. I have a question for everyone, opinion. There's like a 37-inch or 40-inch TV that we had mounted out here. I don't want it. There's nothing wrong with it. It works. We ran the cable wires. You can kind of see the cable wire and the electric wire through that tracking into the house. See it? See it? I don't want it, and I don't feel like taking it down and pulling it off. I kind of want to leave it for the new buyer. I don't know if they'd be mad about that or if it would be a problem. Any realtors or real estate agents or anybody here know the proper etiquette on should we leave the TV or not? I don't want it. There's really nothing wrong with it, but I have no use for it in the new house, and I just don't feel like taking it down. They can have it. Why not? And then, of course, our grill has to go. I'm definitely going to leave them, since obviously I don't have a pool at the new house because I have a lagoon. I'm leaving them all the pool equipment, the brush and the net and the hose and all that stuff they can have. But otherwise, yeah, so that's outside. Let's go take a look at the last part of the house and what we have to move. I figure this won't take us more than 30 or 45 minutes to load this as well. All right, into the master bedroom. Excuse it, it's a wreck, of course. We have our TV and TV stand, our dresser, PS5, PS4, both got to go, of course. We have a fake fireplace, which don't hate. It actually puts off heat. It's electric. And then we have dog toys everywhere. Master bed, nightstands, dog number 1 that has to go. And then dog number, he's over here. Dog number 2 that has to go. What's up, buddy? So yeah, that's gonna take a lot of time. We pretty much cleared out the master closet. There's still some stuff. I'm not gonna take you into our private stuff there, but yeah, so everything is pretty much going according to plan. I figure the whole house is gonna take a solid day, but we should be able to knock it out. I don't anticipate any issues with that. Here's where we come into the issue. So let me get this on. Okay, so this is our inventory. FBM and eBay listed up there, and a couple Shopify lots are over there. I'll show you in a second. But obviously my car has to go, but all of this inventory has to be transported, and it's loose on the shelves. I mean, we can box it up, but man, it's gonna take some time. On this side, we have more inventory. Our bins labeled, obviously. I mean, we have bins of like remotes. I don't even know if we have the lids for a lot of these bins, but I guess we could just stack them in the storage unit. And then we have Kate's a photographer, if you don't know that. She has a ton of props. Our Christmas lights are over there, with no tree or lights for us this year. So all of that has to go, of course, get put in a storage unit along with everything else. And then the kicker, which I haven't been up there in a couple years, we have an attic right there. I don't even know what's up there. I assume it's boxes of Halloween and Thanksgiving and fall decor, probably couple boxes of personal stuff, maybe some Christmas decorations, our Christmas tree maybe up there, I don't know. But yeah, so overall, the garage is a lot of stuff. We have to get all of this in a 20 by 15 storage unit. What's in the garage and as much as possible in there. The only thing we're not putting in the storage unit is our master bedroom bed set, our bed, mattress, box spring. We're taking that to my mom's because I just feel more comfortable having it in her house than in a storage unit. But everything else, that outside furniture, that living room set, that exercise bike, both fake fireplaces. I don't even think I showed you guys the other fireplace that we have in the living room. It's over my shoulder right there. So we have two fireplaces, a big one and a small one. The bar stools, that dining table, our dressers and nightstands, 2 desk chairs, quite a bit of stuff. Do you guys think we got a chance of getting all that inside of a 20 by 10 unit? I don't know. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. But I'd love to hear your thoughts. Give me your experiences. I just figured I'd share this part of my journey as I move into something bigger and better, and will have a better filming location, soundproofing, backdrop, everything for you guys to improve the quality of this. I'm going to be living in a crazy good neighborhood near a lot of crazy good sourcing opportunities, not too far from where I am now, but they have a lagoon that I'll be able to get video, nice drone shots, aerial footage to add to the channel, more than just me, inside. I want to get some outside shots. I live in Florida. Why not share it with you guys, right? So that's where we're at. Next couple of days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday will be basically just all day packing, loading, transporting. And then Thursday will be the final day, whatever little things are left. And then the cleaning crew will come in, the cleaning people, and they'll deep clean the house and prep it for the new owners. And the new owners get the keys Friday at 10 a.m. We won't be sleeping here Thursday. We won't be sleeping here Wednesday. We get an Airbnb Friday night, so I'll probably stay at my mom's for Wednesday and Thursday. We were going to get a hotel, but dragging the dogs to a hotel, even pet-friendly, is just a pain in the butt. So we'll just drop off at my mom's house for a couple nights, then check into the Airbnb for a few weeks. Then we move from the Airbnb to a townhome in our new neighborhood. We actually got very lucky. All of our stuff will be in storage. When we move into the townhome, it's going to be for about 2.5 to 3 months. Our house should be done in March. We'll be moving into that townhome right after the new year, so 2.5, 3 months. We'll move everything into the townhome from the storage unit. 1, so I don't have to pay for the storage unit anymore since I'm already paying for the townhome and it has a garage. And 2, so I can have my inventory back and turn the store back on. I may leave the store on because the storage unit is right down the street, and then I can go there and get the inventory and ship every morning. I don't know if I feel like it. We'll have to see. I might just up the handling time to 30 days. I'll figure it out. But that's where we're at. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please share them with me. If you have any experience or any tips that you can give me, please do not hesitate to leave it, because I have never moved from an actual house to a house. I had an apartment and a condo, and we didn't have a lot of stuff, and I was like 23 years old, 22, 23, 24 years old, so I was broke, and I didn't have a lot of stuff, just to be honest. So yeah, I moved in like 3 hours, but this is a whole nother story. So moving 1,800 square feet into 3,300 square feet, thank God, much more room so it won't seem overwhelming. And then everything we're missing from this house, all the other furniture, all the new stuff, we're just gonna buy new when we move in and have it delivered. So, okay, I appreciate it. Hopefully you guys are hanging in there. Anything else you need, please leave them in the comments, and don't forget that pre-order for the 2021 training package, eBay, Amazon, Posh, Shopify, accounting, reselling, everything you need to know, thrifting, wholesale, bulk, affiliate sales. It's all a part of the 2021. And if you buy it before New Year's, you get it for $29 pre-sale. And on New Year's Day, it'll be emailed to you automatically. Thank you guys as always. Appreciate it. Hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel for more videos. And I will continue to track the progress of this move. And also, I'll take some video from the new house as they build it. give you guys an inside look. We'll do a house tour and a studio tour, a new filming studio tour once we move in as well. And then the new content will begin in 2021, March of 2021. So have a wonderful evening, wonderful rest of your weekend, and I'll see all of you